Hello student, today we are going to start with a new topic which is about directing. So student, till now we have completed the planning, organizing and staffing function of management, and now the main function which is called the initiation function, directing, we are going to learn in this video. So in today's video we are going to learn about the features and importance of staffing. तो स्टूडेंट एज यू नो मैनेजमेंट फंक्शन करने के लिए जो 5 फंक्शंस चाहिए उनमें से पहले होता है प्लानिंग आता है, देन आफ्टर दैट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग एंड स्टाफिंग कम, एंड आफ्टर दैट द फंक्शन कॉल्ड डायरेक्टिंग कम्स with which the manager initiate the action. Means it is the function where the main actions, the main functions of an organization start. Okay, so directing is an important management functions, and when the plans for achieving desired objectives of the business are actually implemented. Okay, so this function of management therefore is called the actuation. Actuation means actually really में जो it is the function with which the real goals of the organization can be achieved. Okay, next point is student, first let's start with the meaning. So you can go through the meanings, and here I have added some points, and these points are: management is essentially an art of getting things done by people. The managers are not only responsible for planning and organizing but also of guiding and directing the subordinates. So we all know. Okay, so management क्या होता है generally हम लोगों ने in the first chapter we have discussed that management is the art of getting things done by people. We all know, but the managers are not only responsible for planning and organizing, okay, but also the guiding and directing the subordinates. जो subordinates है, जो employees है, उनको guide करना पड़ेगा कि how to do the tasks or how to achieve the goals, and these functions called as directing. Then directing is telling people what to do and seeing that they do it in the best of their ability. Okay, so directing क्या होते हैं? It is the process, or it is the function which tells the people what to do, means क्या करना पड़ेगा, and seeing that they do it in the best of their ability. Okay, next point, see, every manager does to everything a manager does to inspire the subordinates to contribute to the best of their ability for achievement of the organizational goals and objectives is included in the direction function of management. As I already student discussed, that everything which a manager does in order to influence the subordinates so that they can give their performance, and the managers try to motivate them, the managers try to guide them, supervise them, all these things comes under the function of directing. Okay, so in our next video we are going to learn the various elements of directing. That time we will be able to see that what are the elements of directing, means what are the main elements जिससे directing functions होता है, like motivation, supervision, leadership, okay, and communication. Okay, so let's start now the features of directing. So we have discussed the basic meaning of directing, meaning of directing. Okay, so directing is nothing but is the function of management which influence the behavior of the employees, behavior of the subordinates, so that they can give their best result. It is the function with which managers guide and direct the subordinates. Okay, now see the functions of features of features of directing. तो directing का features क्या हो सकता है student? Say student, ये जो features होते हैं you can find it similar to the features of planning, similar to the features of staffing or other functions of management. So you can add, or you can add alternatively, you can add this point in other functions, other जो functions होते हैं management के, उनके features में. Okay, but the basic meaning जो होते हैं उसको अपने तरीके से लिखना पड़ेगा. Okay, तो see, point number 1 is pervasive function. As you know, pervasive का meaning क्या होता है? Universal, means which belongs to everywhere, means which we can see in everywhere. So direction is a pervasive function of management. Why? It is performed at every level of management. Okay, so however the time spent on directing is comparatively more at the lower level of management. क्यों? क्योंकि lower level के जो subordinates होते हैं, जो employees होते हैं, उनको ज़्यादा direction देने का, ज़्यादा guide करने का ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होता है. Okay, it is a pervasive function. Why? Because it it can be available in every levels of management, no matter whether it is a top level, middle level और lower level, सब जगह पे directing functions चाहिए. Next point क्या होता है? Human elements. Okay, so basically directing क्या होता है? Directing is an interpersonal function, means यहाँ पे main interaction होता है with the employees, because directing through the directing function managers try to motivate, to influence the employees, to supervise them, to guide them. So that's why it is called the interpersonal function. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? The performance of this function enables the manager to influence the behavior of the subordinates. Means जो human resource है उनके साथ ज़्यादा deal होता है, means direction प्रोवाइड करते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से देयर इज एन ह्यूमन एलिमेंट्स. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या होता है? परफॉर्मेंस ओरिएंटेड. तो सी स्टूडेंट, डायरेक्शन इज ए फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट वेयर द मेन work or main action of the organization initiates. As we already discussed the term actuation in the meaning of direction, means actualization जो work, actualization of work happens in the direction function, means actually में अभी work हो रहा है. See student, if you compare the other functions of management, then you can see that in planning we just prepare for the future, means what we are going to achieve in the future, okay, based on the past and future experimented and present past experiences, future forecasting and present जो data होता है उसके ऊपर बेस करके हम लोग planning करते हैं. Then organizing we identify the work, means who are going to do what kind of work, we arranging the raw materials and everything, means we organize the things. In staffing function we recruit the employees, we recruit the people who are going to do this particular task. But in direction function we are going to direct them, we are going to guide them, okay. So that is why we can say that it is a performance oriented, because in directing function of management you can measure, you can see the performance, okay, actual work is happening in this function. So that's why you will be able to see that okay, this is the performance or this is the performance of this particular employees of this team. तो ये direction function में होते हैं. Next point क्या होता है? Integrated function. Now why it is called the integrated? See, direction not only facilitates proper performance of other managerial function but also helps in integrating them. Means integrating का meaning क्या होता है? Means getting together, means all जितने भी सारे बाकी functions होते हैं उनको इकट्ठा करते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या होता है? कंटिन्यूअस एक्टिविटी. तो ऑब्वियसली लाइक अदर फंक्शन, स्टाफिंग इज ऑल्सो ए कंटिन्यूअस एक्टिविटी, बिकॉज वंस यू directing function is also a continuous activity. Student pardon, as I have used the term staffing lot more times, so please listen it as direction or directing, okay. See now continuous activity. So directing is a continuous activity. Why? Because once you have as a manager you have direct your subordinates, do you think it will stop? You cannot do it, you won't do it in the future. No, it won't stop. You have to further do it, you have to further provide them direction so that they can achieve the further goals of the organization. So that's why we can say that it is a continuous activity. Now see the importance of directing. Now directing का importance क्या क्या होते हैं? देखो स्टूडेंट, पहला क्या है? It is okay, initiates action. The same way in features we have read the term, we have we learned the term that it initiates action, means it is the function where the main activities of an organization, means all the activities are generally initiates in these functions. Then it facilitates coordination. As I already told you in the features of directing, कि directing क्या करते हैं? It integrates all the other functions, that means it facilitates coordination as you know. तो coordinate करते हैं दूसरे एक functions के साथ दूसरे functions के बीच में coordinations लाते हैं. Then it facilitates the execution of decision. main decision making जो होते हैं ये direction में होते हैं. Means see, on the basis of the direction the managers is going to direct them and they are going to make various crucial decisions for the organization, okay. So without effective directing no decisions can be effectively executed. Faulty directing may nullify the effect of sound decisions, okay. Next point क्या होता है? Best utilization of resources, okay. If you properly guide your employees, if you properly teach, supervise them, means leadership, if you exercising the leadership function as a manager, that means what? You are means means you help the subordinates to use the resource of the organization in the most best and cheapest way, okay, so that the wastage can be reduced. okay, next point क्या होता है, stability of workforce. तो stability of workforce क्यों होता है, देखो direction में एक elements होते हैं motivation. तो when the manager or when the any top level or seniors or experts motivates the employees, they also feel themselves okay that they are also the part of the organization, and a motivated employee can give a best result than those who are not motivated. okay, सो डेट्स वाई हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ वर्क फोर्स, उससे क्या होता है, एम्प्लॉयज़ का जो ले ऑफ हो जाना मीन्स जॉब छोड़ देना, ये भी रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, ग्रोथ एंड स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द एंटरप्राइज. सो इफ़ यू अचीव ऑल द अबव यहाँ पे जो इम्पोर्टेंस में जो लिखा हुआ है, इफ़ यू अचीव ऑल द अबव फंक्शंस, ऑल द अबव इम्पोर्टेंस, ऑल द अबव एडवांटेजेस, दैट मीन्स व्हाट, योर ग्रोथ एंड स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द एंटरप्राइज इज श्योर एंड सर्टेन, इज नॉट इट. क्योंकि देखो जब डायरेक्टिंग, इफ़ यू गिव प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन टू योर एम्प्लॉयज़, ऑब्वियसली ग्रोथ भी बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो जाएगा और स्टेबल भी रहेगा. क्यों? इफेक्टिव डायरेक्टिंग मीन्स इफेक्टिव सुपरविजन, कम्युनिकेशन, मोटिवेशन एंड लीडरशिप, ऑल दिस कंट्रीब्यूट टू द ग्रोथ एंड स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, so this is all about the directing and its features and meaning. So I hope student you have understood. So if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment section, and in our next video we are going to learn about the various elements of directing. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you student.